Hi, my name is Kim Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. In many of our cases, we end up having to file lawsuits on behalf of our clients. In every personal injury lawsuit, an event happens called a deposition, which is simply a question and answer session where the defense lawyer or the person representing the defendant in the lawsuit gets an opportunity to ask our client questions regarding the issues that are relevant to the case. Some of those questions might be about how the accident happened, they might be about medical treatment. One of the most important sections in any personal injury deposition is a section about the differences or changes in the client's activity level or their capabilities or the things that they used to be able to do and maybe don't do as well or can't do now. In the course of a deposition, that section always comes up, and there's always like a little tricky section that we always warn our clients about. So I want to give this free information to you today in case you're about to face a personal injury deposition. The way that this trick question sort of comes up is in talking about functionality or activities after an accident. And the question usually comes out something like this: tell me everything you can't do as a result of your injuries. Well, that question seems innocent enough, but it really isn't, because when the defense attorney is asking that question, they literally mean, tell me everything you cannot do, like physically cannot do. That's different from asking someone, tell me the things that you avoid doing or the things that you don't do anymore because it hurts. The question is literally, tell me everything you can't do. So sometimes people fall into the trap of thinking, well, it hurts when I run now, so I don't run. So they might just sort of haphazardly answer the question, yeah, I can't run anymore. Well, if their life depended on it, or if their child was injured down the street, chances are that that person could run. They might pay for it, it might hurt every step of the way, but they literally can run. So if they say that they can't run, somehow the defense finds out that they did run somehow, for some reason, any reason, then all of a sudden they can be painted as a liar. The classic example happened to me years ago in a case where I had a client who had an injured low back, and one of the tasks that he had over years of being married was taking the trash out for his wife. Well, when he testified in his deposition, they asked him everything you can't do, and he says, I can't take the trash out. Well, his wife went on vacation to visit her family, he was left alone, and the trash had to go out, so there was nobody else to take it out except him. And so when trash day came, he dutifully went outside, grabbed his garbage cans, and carried them out to the street. Now, he didn't carry them the way that he used to, and the whole afternoon after that, his back hurt, but he carried the trash cans out to the road. Well, it just so happened that the defense had hired private investigators, and on that particular day, they were sitting down the street from his house with a video camera, taping him carry his trash cans out to the street. So what do you think happened in that case? Well, when we came together for a settlement conference, the first thing the defense lawyer did is whip out this video and say, hey, do you remember when your client said, I can't carry trash cans? Well, look at this. And they play the video, and now all of a sudden our client looks like he's lying or that he's exaggerating his problems. So it pays to really listen to the questions as they're asked, because when they're on the page, they look literal. It says, please tell me everything you cannot do. And that question or the answer that comes from our client or you, if you're about to sit for a personal injury deposition, needs to be accurate. So if you have any questions about a personal injury deposition or other issues that come up in personal injury depositions, please call me or my partner, Robert Hemphill, at 407-254-4901, or visit our website where you can find all kinds of other helpful hints regarding personal injury cases.